Hello students, I am Sanjay, your sport teacher. Today we are going to learn the shot put. At first I will explain and I will show some ground measurement to you, and this is a one circle. This is called the performing area. This circle, the radius of the circle is 1.067 meter. 1.067 meter, and there are two indicating line. This line is here. The length of the line is 0.75 meter. 0.75 meter. There are two lines in the both side of the circle. This line is very important when you are going to perform. Suppose you are entering in front of the line, then your performance will be disqualified. Like this, I'm entering through this side. This is wrong. After performing, you have to exit from this side. At first you have to make entry in this side and you have to perform here. After performing, you have to exit from this side. Suppose you are performing here. After performance, you are exiting like this, in this way, your performance will be disqualified. So these lines are very important. Okay, now I will show you how to hold the shot and how to throw the shot. Okay, at first we will practice it in free hand. After that we will practice with the shot. Okay, there are four parts. First is approach. Approach means you have to come near the shot and you have to stay here, stand here. This is the approach, and after that the stance is there. Stance means you have to put the shot like this and you have to put it on your collarbone. Okay, this is your stance position, and your left leg should be little bit behind of your body. This is your stance. And after that, third is execution. Means you are releasing the shot. When you are releasing the path of the releasing, this is called execution. And after releasing the shot, your body balance have to maintain. Okay, you have to maintain your body balance. This is called follow through. Means you have to establish your momentum of body. That is called the follow through. So now we will practice it again with the free hand like this. This is approach and stance is here, and you have to push your left leg like this. You have to make a free kick on the air like this. One kick is there, and again you have to kick with your right leg like this. You have to push your body backward. Okay, again I'm holding the shot here. My elbow is outside of the body. Then I'm kicking a flying kick. Okay, I'm like this. Then I have to throw the shot and maintain the body balance. Okay, again you can see it. This is approach. Okay, then stance, execution, and follow through. After throwing the shot, you have to maintain your balance. That is called follow through. Suppose you are throwing the shot. After throwing, your leg is here, cutting the ring, cutting the circle. This will be again disqualified. So keep it in mind. So now we will practice with the shot. At first, this is the approach. Okay, I'm coming near the shot. This is approach. Then I'm holding the shot like this. You have to hold like this and put it on your collarbone. Your elbow should be outside. Okay, like this. Here 30-degree angle should be created. Okay, like this. And whole body weight will be maintained by the right leg. Okay, and with the left leg you have to make a flying kick like like, and your body weight should be backward. Okay, like this. Again, stance, then execution. This way you have to make your body backward like this, then you have to release the shot, and after that you have to maintain your body. Okay, so now I will perform it in continue. Ready? This is the whole part of throwing shot put, putting the shot put. Okay, again next time we will show you some another topic, another trick of the shot put. So till bye bye.